isang malaking awesome and thank you so much sa mga nandito agad guys. Ako nga pala si Oso the Chismoso at palagi ko binibigay sa inyo yung mga may init na chismis dito sa cryptocurrency. And ngayon, okay, we have a lot of liquidations and meron tayong flash crash. And isa na nga dun tayo sa mga nagkamali ng ating prediction. And although marami naging kabig, okay, pero yeah, pinost ko pa to sa Discord natin. So, yung mga nasa Meraki guys, you'll be able to see it. So, ngayon, we're expecting no hanggang 59,800 lang tayo. So, ito yung expected low natin. Ito yung post ko din sa Discord natin. And pero, dumausdos pa siya up to 58k, no? So, nag-58k pa siya. So, we will be going back to our charting here. Meron tayong trend line dito na matagal na natin sinusunod, pero mas tinama na itong ating indicator na to. Pero it's not an indicator, it's actually a tool. It's called the regression trend. So, yan. So, may sinusunod tayo. It's because of this one. So, meron tayo tinatawag na bullish flag na pwedeng maging lower pa yung mga magiging sunod nating dumps. Okay, so right now, are we looking at the last dump? Yun yung pinag-uusapan dito eh. Pero at least meron na tayo dito sa regression trend natin. Malalaman na natin na the alts are highly reactive pag nandito na tayo malapit sa gitna. So every time na we are trying to get past through it, pag-aangat, nagiging bullish yung mga alts. Pero pag bumabagsak tayo, sobrang bearish niya. At ngayon, kung makikita nyo, marami tayong negative. Okay, so yan, yung OPSEC, hindi updated. So, most of the alts ngayon, at kanina, okay, for the last 24 hours, negative siya. So, isa din sa mga negative talaga dyan is yung mga L1. Okay, yung mga L1 natin. Pero, yeah, let's talk about what really is about to happen. So, di ba, nag-58k na. How we see it is, since nagkamali tayo sa natin, hindi naman totally kamali. So, probably we just did a sweep here, pero bulls protected this area right away. At kitang-kita yun dun sa natin, sa naging week natin. And yan, meron tayo 20% week. Sana mag-close tayo above here within tomorrow or before this week closes. So, anything that is below 60k up to 58k as of the moment, it's just a relevant sweep para magkaroon tayo ng profitable for the bears kasi hindi sila kumita dito at dito sa pinakita ko sa mga nasa Meraki at yung mga na SL hunt tayo ng na SL hunt. So it's okay na meron tayong SL setup na kasi ang hirap pag mamaya biglang maliquidate tayo na hindi naman kalakihan din yung capital natin na nilalagay sa leverage trading. So, mas maganda kung meron tayong preparations or like SL hands. So, kung matatalo man tayo, we don't want to lose everything. But we are willing to like risk it all when it comes to like really winning this market. But yeah, we are going down. That's obviously what's happening right now. And even the moving averages are saying in the one day na we are bearish. Okay? Supposedly we're just gonna retrace tas biglang umangat, pero sinapol tayo dito nung na yesterday. So the next move is like it's gonna be all about fractals right now. So every time that we go past here, we need to count 60 days already. So ngayon, we still have until October. Yun yung lagi kong palatandaan sa mga ganito. Okay, so ngayon, ang next move natin. So, we will not go past below here. Yun yung nakikita ko. So, closest that we can go down further is 56. Yan yung last defense natin para masabi na, okay, pasok pa yung ating structure na bullish flag, no? So, pero ngayon, as of the moment, okay, at kung titignan natin yung mga volumes natin dito at kung i-all ko to, when we had this kind of volumes here, the bullish sentiment came in when we had a second round of capitulation for longs. Okay, doon na pumasok at doon na pumalo yung mga APR, APYs natin for stable coins. Okay, so ngayon, yun yung nangyayari din sa KuCoin at sa mga iba't iba pang mga major success. No, so but right now, we don't wanna just leverage on those kind of hocus-pocus, no? Na, oh, yan yung mga ano, yan yung laging nangyayari, etc. But we wanna look at the fractals, kung ano yung talagang nangyayari. Okay, so right now, nilagay ko to 61 bars. Okay, hindi to wrap. Okay, so 60, okay, then hahanap tayo ng previous data din that shows the same thing. So dito, when we went down sa moving average na to, we had this. Okay, and when we went down here, lahat bagsak na yung yung alts na parang wala na silang pupuntahan. Pero syempre, during these times, parang magkakaroon ka ng doubt. Pero if the market is already here, you will look back at this as ito na sana yung buying opportunity. Dapat dito na ako bumili. Something like that. Which is, ito nga yung August at yung sinabi ko sa inyo na bull run is about to come and altcoin season is coming. And pwede nyo yung balikan sa mga videos ko. Now, same thing that happened here. Nung bagsak na bagsak yung market nung November 22, this could have been the major plays or major buys for large cap alts like Ethereum. So, nag-800 yung Ethereum, etc. Something like that. Pero sana nakabili sila dito. Okay? But, same thing. Nung nandito naman tayo, nasa taas naman tayo. It took 61 days and 60 days or approximately 60 days nung bago tayo nagkaroon ng ganun din, nung gut candle na inaasahan natin. Although hindi pa yun October, pero 60 days. We went up, then by October, dito tayo nanganak ng talagang altcoin season. Pero yeah, dito naman, okay, ang titingnan, 60 days din, dapa din yung market dito and everyone's like really hoping that we will do a recovery and we were able to do so nung nakawala na tayo dito sa moving average ito. Same thing nung bumagsak din tayo doon, 60 days, we were able to get out and the main confirmation kasi everyone's like really doubting this pump nung dinump na, ayan na, doon na nagkaroon ng parang hindi, magka-crash pa yan, i-retrace to, etc. Kasi nandito yung fair value gap. Then sinupalpal sila. Walang ganun nangyari kasi this should not happen, and also this actually happened is because we could have actually been trying to fill out this fair value gap as well here. So same thing with what's going on right now. Okay, wag kayo masyadong kabahan. Okay, so this one is not something that needs to be retraced. Okay, according to previous data. This is the one that retraced this one. Bayad na tayo, guys. Wala na tayong kailangang bayaran dito kasi nakabayad na tayo. Okay, so this one is just like something that we will be just watching out for. Wag lang sasalpakan talaga to ng sentiment ng mga news. Okay? Then, mga ayaw nating mga news. Okay? Mga negative news. So, probably we're just gonna do sideways. Maganda maglagay na tayo ng support and resistance or major key levels here. But be careful with your leverages. Okay? Plan always your exits. Huwag kayong maging greedy and huwag kayong makakalimot maglagay ng SL kasi magiging part kayo ng statistics here. So, that is very important kasi whenever we do this, this is gonna be like something that we need to watch out. So, meron ka malaki dito, meron ka ding malaking bar dito na liquidations for longs. We need to watch out that ito na, nangyari na ulit dito and there could be a second round which is today or tomorrow. Really depends on what will be the market sentiment pag nagising yung market mamaya for US. So, but yeah, what we are doing is we're just trying to look at the previous data. So, wala akong script or wala akong everything. I'm just like doing a free flow of trying to analyze so far yung mga nangyari ngayon. So, what I think, okay, this one is nature healing. Okay, so if we will not be able to ride into this market, okay, I think you'll miss out a lot of things. Okay, based on fractal and history as well, you will just look back at this as a best buying opportunity. Okay, these levels should be, sana nakabili ako dito. Magtatagal to. Okay, magtatagal to and you still have like half of 60. So may isa ka pang buwan bumili. Okay, there is a probability that we can go back to 56. That is my last bet, katulad ng sinabi ko. Before we can say na okay, may 4 week candle ka na nag-close dito at nag-close below dito, then I would give up. Okay, katulad ng sinasabi ko dati na we are not gonna retrace this because this is already paid and this is just like nature's healing and dapat hindi nangyari to because of this capitulation. Dapat hanggang dito lang tayo and we've been treading this line for years already. So, dapat dito pa lang we already pumped already. Dito pa lang sa level sa to. But since we have this and we need to pay for this, we took time. It's either we don't retrace it or we will take time on a sideways para lang makabayad doon sa mga levels na talagang dapat nating nire-retrace. Since hindi natin nire-retrace, we'll do a sideways. Kaya nga na-extend tong ating quarters dito. Yung mga pinay-predict natin dati pa, kung maaalala nyo. Diba? So, we have a lot of, kumbaga, charting for this one. So, ito yung halvening effects pa natin na hindi ko ginagalaw. So, we went past down here but we're still in time. Okay, according to September, supposedly talaga merong mangyaring retrace. Pero, let's see what will happen in the near future. But yun lang, guys. Wala na akong masyadong sasabihin. Just be careful. Do not be part of the statistics. Kung titignan nyo at yung post ko sa Twitter, guys, sana tingnan nyo. Okay? So, meron akong post sa Twitter dito. Napaka-importante nito, guys. Huwag kayong masyadong maging emotional when it comes to your tradings and whatever is happening, whether it is green. So, do not be emotional. Just stick to your plan. Stick to your trading strategies and you will always be able to get out of tight situations katulad niyan. So, ngayon, we are having some flash crash and I'm very sure that we will just go ahead and go up since nakita na natin din yung 2 candles doon. It's a little bit like showing us a bullish intention na pwede na tayong bumalik ulit again tapos mag-sideways na naman tayo tapos a little bit of dump sa 56k, then now by the end of this year we might be able to see higher than 73k, but those are just my opinion, hindi yan financial advice. So trade your paper trades, guys. Yun lang naman lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo. But yeah, thank you so much sa mga lagi nandito and have a great night. And chismis lang lahat ng yun. Kailangan nyo pa rin aralin, planuhin at kilusan. Nang sa gayon, ang lahat ng to ay ating makamtan. At syempre, stay awesome. Goodbye, guys.